I want better lighting for my videos when I film just here on my desk. So I glued two pieces of LED strip here on a piece of plastic and connected them positive to positive, negative to negative. And yeah, I want to see if this will work out. Power it on. It should blind you. Yep, it's nice and powerful. And then I will place it somewhere above my phone / camera and try to light up the desk. Yeah, this is almost good. But there is some shade. A very little shade. I don't think it will be a problem. So I'll just put this right with the camera in the center and have this light here. Let's see. Some other objects. Let me just place some random stuff here. Let me see how they look. Some cables like that. And yeah, how close can I come? Oh, yeah, like this. I think this will be good. Kind of weird. The shades will be the shadows. They are a bit weird because every single LED has a different shade in a different place. So there are all these lines. But that's only affecting the dark parts. I don't really care about that. It will be fine. Now I'm moving it from side to side. Kind of weird, but I think this will be better than the phone's own light. So yeah, this is about 3 watts, half a meter of LED strip. It's cool white, and yeah, I hope it will work out. Yeah.